Alright, what's up with y'all? Um, Market's about to open here. Just did right now. Open. We just smacked London session highs here. Um Thing was NAS, we had these hourly highs here and then London session highs, so they were really relative equal, which was fire, and then it took that out right before market opened actually. Oh, and now we just took out, okay, now on NAS we also just took out this hourly draw I had that I wanted. So now it's a sense where we just took out two major draws on liquidity, plus we took out a session high, plus an hourly high, and then plus another hourly high right here to make it relative equal. So now we're in a scenario where um we could probably do like a few things, to be frank. Uh, we're in a scenario where, let me just chart some of this. I want to say I saw equal lows somewhere too. Yeah, right here. These are equal lows. Um, so it's a sense of whether we want to just have a continuation and target Asia session highs plus maybe these hourly highs. Hmm, Hell, sorry about that. How did you get out? My damn cat. Did you get out, Missy? How did you get out? Get over here. Oh my goodness. Zara, get over here. Good girl. I'm sorry, I don't want to lock you in, but I gotta lock in. Um, so yeah, we have relative, or we have equal lows down here on ES. What's NAS looking like? We have some stack draws on liquidity to the downside. So I mean, I wouldn't mind to fill orders here. We're at a spot where price could easily reverse. I would personally probably like to see shorts play out a little more, but I'm open to really anything. It's just, yeah, I mean, 2 a.m. So, yeah, whether we're just gonna have to see April 8th. So right now, we're making a pretty big SMT if we can hold this. Pretty big SMT. Whether or not we hold that, I don't know. And it's not even formed yet, but potential bearish SMT here, I think. Or am I tripping? Wednesday the 8th at 3. Wednesday the 8th at 3. Yeah, okay, yeah, no, it's valid. So we'll see what happens here because I definitely don't want to just click long right now. Like, I just don't want to click buy, obviously, but it's because we literally just took out hourly highs, London highs. Shit, we took out freaking. Wait, shit, we took out freaking Asia highs too, now that I think about it. Holy, yeah. So I definitely probably like shorts better. Now we're gonna probably manipulate, in my opinion, um, to the downside, and then probably have like two candles up, in my opinion, to try and manipulate, stop some people out, and then I'll kind of try and be looking for some sort of sell model entry and hopefully take that to some of these lows. That's kind of my plan right now, unless order flow will tell me differently. Whether we just want to continue up, but I don't really feel comfortable longing after we literally took out hourly highs, which was pre-market highs. Then we took out freaking um London highs. Oh yeah, these are London highs. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. So we literally took out London highs, then we took out these hourly highs, and then we took out Asia session highs, and then we also took out this hourly high. So why the hell would I wanna price can potentially reverse here? So that's kind of what I'm looking for. Low key. And yeah, yeah, bro. We have a potentially big S&T, bro. From here or even here. Either way. If we can form it. I don't know if we will. I also don't want to just get stuck to that, you know what I mean? But we also got to keep in mind right now we're looking pretty freaking bullish on ES, and right now NAS is kind of like lagging. So, bro, we just gotta be patient here. Do not rush into anything. Um, yeah, yep. So, what the hell was that? What that was? Unless that was the construction going on outside. That was loud. I couldn't tell where that came from. Sorry. Um, okay, we didn't get the break to the upside. We did on ES on the 1 minute. Mm, I would have liked to get a break on NAS as well. Not gonna lie. I'd like to see us manipulate a little more. I think we will. Because we really, I think I need a little more than invert if we inverse this 1 minute gap. But right now we're kind of respecting that. We got to keep in mind, what's the 4 hour looking like? Um, we're still technically in an uptrend. Um, hourly, hourly, we're bullish. So yeah, we're gonna have to for sure wait for a change in order flow. Yeah, because this is, yeah. So if we want to short, we're gonna have to definitely wait for a change in order flow because yeah, one index kind of saying one thing, the other one's kind of saying another right now. So just gotta stay patient here and then wait for them to be in line and then get an entry model. Bye, Mom. I don't like to see that. We never officially broke to the upside, so I want to see a little more than that, but I mean, this looks pretty good. Um, bro, what? Dude, what the hell just happened? Brother, what? Okay, I was gonna say. So right now, low key, um, this doesn't look terrible on NAS. Now I just kind of need ES to show me the way, really. I need ES to show me the way. This thing is though, ES is closer. Like, because we also got the sweep causing this move up. We have these. Price doesn't have to go here though. So let me not get stuck to shorts because I don't want that to happen because obviously we're moving in an uptrend right now on ES. And NAS we're starting to do that. So bro, we still gotta wait. It's just, it's hard for me to long when we took out so many significant draws. So, yeah. No, it's 9:42 New York time. Um, 9:42 New York time. So, I mean, ideally, we're kind of looking here soon for some sort of entry. We're kind of running right now. Um, well, may just not play out. I could just be wrong today. Um, is that a did a candle just like lag or is that a straight up gap up, bro? I don't even know. Hmm. Well, we just invalidated equilibrium. So, hmm. Sweet call going 90. Bro, so oh, okay. We didn't take Asia high yet. We we took London. We took London. Okay. I didn't realize that. That is totally my fault. But we did, okay, we did on Nas. Okay. So it wouldn't be smart to try and trade that to ES on that to that high just because we could SMT because we're well below. So and then we could sweep here and then potentially reverse, you know what I mean? So we just have to keep that in the back of our mind where we don't have to, but we potentially could fill orders and want to see some sort of reversal in the market here. So we just gotta we just gotta thug it out and wait, bro. Okay, I mean, we're in 5 minute equilibrium here on ES. Probably the same scenario with NAS. We're in equilibrium to move higher. Um, but I don't really could inverse this and this could be an entry, but pro why? Like there's just nothing to target. We're above a high right now. It's wouldn't be smart to enter that, especially we're below it still on ES. So yeah, it wouldn't really be smart to enter that in my opinion. It wouldn't be a good trade for me. So now if we get an instance where we Yeah, I like this. I ain't gonna lie. We just respected this gap. If we can break past this low, I think I'll enter here. Uh, we have all this low resistance, broski. Um, four. All right, we're in 4 micros. Uh, we'll probably go break even around this area. Okay, we'll see what happens here, boys. We will see what happens here, boys. We have a lot of freaking liquidity here, so we'll see. We'll see what we do, man. I like this trade though, to be frank. It looks pretty solid. Um, we'll see what happens, bro. We're in, so we can't, we can't change the outcome now. But yeah, this was kind of the reason I entered this was kind of the point where this is what we want to inverse if we were going to move higher, in my opinion, since we were in 5 minute equilibrium. But instead, we filled the gap actually. What's ES looking like? ES looks pretty good as well. I like that break as well. So yeah, like I said, that was kind of the gap where if we were gonna do that, I think we'd want to potentially move a little higher. But we didn't. We ended up filling that and closing bearish, and then we also on the next candle broke structure to the downside as well. So, um, yeah, that's kind of what I liked there. Um, yeah, and that's the reason for the entry. And so we can now go break even, just move past that low. Probably close uh, 3 right here if we can get to that far. And then we'll do the rest of the position right here. Oh, interesting. Okay, well, anyway, yeah, so we're at a risk-free trade now. Move past this internal low. What's ES looking like? I don't love that. We're well below these right now. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with it, man. We'll see what happens with it, Brodsky. Sweet call going 90 in the rain. Probably just do one. We could just do one limit here, right at a 1-to-1. Do we want to do that? Yeah. I limit right at 1. And then we could be fully out probably around these hourlies. Okay. So we just got out with one micro there. And so right now, still floating some stuff right now. Um, I think we can get more out of this. I just closed at a 1-to-1 there. A little bit of the position. Um, yeah, what's ES looking like? Right, well, we'll see what we do. Sweet call going 90 in the rain. Feeling nothing but pain. I mean, bro, if we hit this though, we can easily hit these. That's the thing. So it's like, but I mean, that's a good RR though. So I think we'll probably just go fully out there if we can get that low. I don't know if we will. I really want to see ES start to see some pushes down. But yeah, good stuff today, boys. At least we secured some profit there. And yeah, now we're risk-free trade right now, so hopefully we can get some more profits would be nice, but we'll just see what happens with it. Um, I don't like the way that ES is looking though, to be frank, so I wanted to start messing around, bro. I could have done a full close at, the 1-to-1, but dude, I mean, it's just these lows look nice. Where's the relative equal lows at? Oh, those are on ES, I think. Yeah, those are on ES. So the 4 a.m. Something magical. It's in my hands. It'd be nice to close like this if we could. I'd like ES to keep going a little more down. If we could get here, 5 seconds left to close. Yeah, keep pushing Nas. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sweet call going 90 in the rain. Currently in a trade right now, already secured some profits, still just having a runner go. But yeah, here down to some some hourly highs or lows. Still in a trade right now, secured some profit right at a 1-to-1 risk reward, and we're still letting a runner go here. Yes, sir, we logged, boy. Still in a trade right now. Close like half a 1-to-1. Just letting the rest let go because these lows are fire, but we'll see what happens. I want to hold literally till like down here, but that's ambitious, so I'm just kind of doing it to the next low, but the hourly just looks pretty good in my opinion for these lows, but I don't know, we'll see, bro. We'll see what happens with it. I don't know, man. I don't like the way fucking ES is moving, so I don't want to close early, but I may if we come back above these highs on ES. But yeah.